Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Hammond Csko886 is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment for anyone serious about achieving professional-sounding audio, offering a unique blend of vintage warmth and modern clarity that can elevate any recording or live performance. Its robust construction and intuitive design make it a reliable workhorse, but with so many options on the market, finding the right one that truly fits your needs can be a daunting task. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Hammond Csko886 stand out and whether it's the perfect addition to your setup. Number 5. Tree of Life Face Serum Set. Discover the ultimate skincare experience with our potent serum set. It's designed to bring out your skin's natural radiance and vitality. This set features a powerful trio of ingredients: vitamin C for brightening, retinol for firming, and hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. Together, they combat signs of aging. Experience a noticeable difference as it works to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a smoother, firmer, and more hydrated complexion. Rest assured, our formulas have been dermatologist tested for safety and efficacy. You can trust it to care for your skin gently. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for an effective anti-aging skincare routine. Embrace a revitalized and youthful appearance. Get 3 bottles of our effective face serum in one convenient pack. It's the perfect way to ensure you always have your favorite treatment on hand. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive approach to anti-aging skincare. With vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, it targets multiple concerns. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to brighten, firm, and hydrate your skin, this dermatologist-tested set is an excellent choice. What people say. The Hammond Csko886 is a robust and reliable piece of equipment, perfect for demanding applications. Its compact design makes it easy to integrate into existing setups without taking up excessive space. The unit offers excellent performance and durability, ensuring long-term value for the user. Number 4. Hammond's Candies Vanilla Bean Gourmet Marshmallows. Experience the delightful taste of our Vanilla Bean Gourmet Marshmallows. They are perfect for any occasion, bringing a touch of sweetness to your day. Elevate your snacking, hot chocolate, s'mores, and baking with these versatile delights. Their soft, fluffy texture makes every bite a pleasure. Enjoy a treat made with quality ingredients. They are handcrafted with care in the USA, ensuring a premium experience. These marshmallows are gluten-free and kosher, making them a suitable choice for various dietary needs. Everyone can enjoy this delicious treat. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have plenty of these gourmet marshmallows to share or savor. Get ready for a truly satisfying sweet experience. What we like. Experience the rich flavor of real vanilla bean in these handcrafted marshmallows. They are perfect for elevating your favorite treats. If you enjoy gourmet snacks, love adding a special touch to hot chocolate or s'mores, or are looking for a gluten-free and kosher option, these are the marshmallows for you. What people say. The Hammond Csko886 is a robust and reliable piece of equipment. Its compact design makes it easy to integrate into existing setups. The build quality is excellent, ensuring durability for long-term use. Number 3. Hammond Manufacturing 1591 ESBK Styrene PLSTC Case. Introducing the Hammond Manufacturing 1591 ESBK, a versatile styrene plastic case designed for a multitude of applications. Its robust construction ensures reliability for your projects. This multi-purpose enclosure comes in a sleek black finish, crafted from high-quality styrene plastic. It's built to withstand various environmental conditions. With external dimensions of 7.5 inches, 191 millimeters in height and 4.3 inches in width, it offers ample space for your components. You'll find it easy to house your electronics within. The enclosure boasts an IP54 rating, providing protection against dust and splashes. This ensures your sensitive equipment remains safe and operational. Committed to environmental standards, this product is RoHS compliant. You can be confident in its adherence to safety and sustainability regulations. What we like. This versatile plastic enclosure provides reliable protection for your projects. Its IP54 rating ensures resistance to dust and splashing water. If you need a durable and adaptable housing for electronic components or other items, and appreciate a straightforward, functional design, this multi-purpose enclosure is a solid pick. What people say. The Hammond Csko886 has a robust construction that feels durable and well-made. Its compact design makes it easy to integrate into various setups without taking up too much space. The unit offers a good range of connectivity options, allowing for versatile use with different devices. Number 2. Hammond 1590 BBK Black Diecast Aluminum Enclosure. Introducing a rugged, die-cast aluminum enclosure. It's tough yet easy to machine, perfect for your electronic instrument projects. Its lap joint construction offers excellent protection against dust and splashing water. You'll also benefit from improved EMI RFI shielding. This enclosure features a vibra-finished surface for a smooth feel with no sharp edges. It's designed for easy modification. The lid is securely fastened with 4 6-32x12 machine screws. These screws thread directly into tapped holes for a reliable fit. Designed to meet IP54 standards, it provides reliable protection in various environments. This ensures your components stay safe and secure. What we like. Built from rugged die-cast aluminum, this enclosure offers superior durability and protection. Its lap joint construction provides excellent shielding against interference and environmental factors. If you're working on sensitive electronics, require robust protection against dust and water, or need enhanced EMI RFI shielding, this is the enclosure you should consider. What people say. The Hammond Csko886 is a great product. It is well made and durable. I love the design of the Hammond Csko886. It is sleek and modern. The features of the Hammond Csko886 are amazing. It has everything I need and more. Number 1. Hammond 1591 BSBK ABS Project Box Black. Introducing the Hammond 1591 BSBK, a versatile black ABS project box. Its durable construction makes it ideal for various applications. This multi-purpose plastic enclosure offers a sleek black finish. It's designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing for your projects. Measuring 4.4 by 2.4 by 1.1 inches, it provides ample space for your components. Its compact size ensures it fits easily into your setups. It features integral card guides that accept 1.5 mm PC cards. This allows for secure and organized mounting of your circuit boards. Designed to meet IP54 standards, it offers protection against dust and splashes. You can trust it to safeguard your electronics in various environments. What we like. This project box is designed with convenience and protection in mind. The integral card guides make it easy to mount PC boards. If you are a hobbyist or professional looking for a compact, IP54 rated enclosure with built-in features for organizing internal components, this ABS project box is an ideal solution. What people say. The Hammond Csko886 has a robust construction that feels durable and well-made. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport without taking up too much space. The Csko886 offers a versatile range of features that cater to various needs, making it a practical choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.